Alright, these are the elevators at the Hampton Inn. Here, oh god, that door. Alright, here we go. Camera's really faint. My camera's jittering around a little bit. They're nice. This button's like different. Oh. Alright. Get my thumbnail. This is weird. The horn. No, that's not even a horn. I like the door frames. Listen to the service. It smells clean. Thyssenkrupp maintains. That motor though, really quiet. This lantern works. So this one's the service elevator. Very common smaller hotel layout. Thyssenkrupp Aurora fixtures. There's your inspection. And I think we're just about done. There it goes. And that's it.